Okay, so telling time for an analog clock. Never mind, I'll show you one by one. Okay, so this one. What is the time? Which one is the analog? Who can tell? Can you tell which of these are analog clocks by ticking at the box provided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I given the numbers for each of the clocks here. 1, 2. Don't tick Scofield. Just say, because everybody have to do this.
Number 3.
What else? 3 is correct. Then which one? What else?
Number 5.
Very good. And then? Okay, 1, 3, and 5. See? These are analog clocks. You can remove your answers for fail. I already showed the answer here. Can you all see? From the questions, can you tell which of these are analog clocks by ticking at the box provided? You see, the answer is here. These are the clocks on the wall, correct? Correct or not?
Correct.
Okay, so what is the criteria of an analog clock? You should understand the criteria of these types of analog clock. What is the criteria? Of course, the time is stated in decimal, correct or not? You can see the points there, correct? 1, 2, the dots. Yes, chicken, you may go. So you all can see the decimals, means you all can see the dots, the points in the time given there. So it is also known as 12-hour system, correct or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, correct? Correct or not? Correct or not?
Correct.
Correct. So, morning, Vincent. So, it is also known as the 12-hour system. So, the decimal is for what? Decimal is usually to use separate the hours from the minutes. When the minutes hand is moving one decimal to another decimal mean is 1 minute, and then again another decimal to moving to another decimal mean there are 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. It's going on until the one circle, I mean it's one clockwise, is 60 minutes. Understand or not? This is only about the analog clock. Who don't understand how to read the clock? Hello.
Yeah.
And then another thing is the time of a day. For example, morning, afternoon, evening, or night must be stated. How? Maybe the time can also be stated using AM or PM. Okay, you should know. Okay, you should know which time is indicates AM. For example, the time 12 midnight. Midnight, 12, after 12, and before 12 noon. Now we are going to reach 12 noon soon, correct? 11:59. So we can indicate the time as AM. After the 12 noon, and before the 12 midnight, 11:59 night. So we can indicate that as PM. Who still don't know how to use the AM and PM? Who still don't know how to use the AM and PM? Class?
AM morning, PM night, right?
PM is not only for night. PM is we can indicate that for after the noon. Just later on, after 12 also, we still can use PM, correct or not? But before 12 midnight, which is 11:59 PM. Understand?
Understand.
Understand? I'm going to show the clock now. Okay, let's learn to tell time by using the analog clock. Okay, as we all know, okay, I already explained this last time. Okay, we move to the second hand first. Second hand is the longest one. When starts with the number 12, which means it's 0 second, correct? And then when it completes 60 second means it's changed to 1 minute, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay. And then the minutes end. Yes. And then the minute hands, as you all know, starts with 12 means minute is 0. When it's complete one round means it's 60 minutes, correct? So it's considered 1 hour. For the hour and the hourly end, only read 1 to 12 different from minutes hand and second hands, because the hour end is totally different. Like from 12 to 1, it's considered 1 hour. 1 to 12 is considered 2 hours. And then 2 to 3 is 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, until it depends how many hours is moving. Understand or not? Understand?
Understand.
Don't understand?
Teacher, I understand.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's try this. This picture shows your hour end at 8, correct or not? And the minutes hand at 0 minutes. So no any minutes are showing. But the second hand at where? Who can tell to teacher? Where is your second hand shows? How many
The
seconds?
tiniest, tiniest.
No, I'm asking where is the seconds hand showing? How many seconds the clock is showing now? Your mic is muted, Hema.
54 seconds.
53, sayang, check properly. 50, 51, 52, 53.
Oh, okay.
53 seconds. So that means the minutes hand has completed its 1 round 60 minutes, because it's showing that at 12, the 12 is 0, right? Consider no minutes is showing. So the time is exact 8 o'clock. Either AM or PM, we don't know. But the seconds is showing 53 seconds. Correct or not? So 53 seconds. Correct? Correct or not? Only Hemar is answering to me. So the rest can leave the call if don't want to respond anything. Hemar only answering. Elrich, Channel, Queenus, Ethan. What happened? Scofield, Chicken didn't come back from the toilet. Chris, what happened?
Yes, teacher.
Or just keep quiet until what time you all want to keep quiet? You don't give me the same reasons. I'm tired of listening the same reasons, Queenas. You please stop trying this, can I?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, example given here. First, look at the minute hand. Okay, it is 45 minutes, isn't it? Sorry, it's a move one 45 minutes. It did not complete a round. How? Because it's showing 46 minutes, right? So hour end is still at 4, going to reach 5. The second hand is at 10. So what is the exact time is showing? How many hour, how many minutes, and how many seconds?
Oh God, then.
Huh? See properly which one is minutes hand, which one is seconds hands, which one is hour hand.
Four hour 56 minute
56
and
man. 56 man.
55.
No.
It's 46.
5
46
hours,
minutes.
46 minutes. How many seconds?
10 seconds.
Very good. Correct. So we don't know whether AM or PM, but time is showing 4 hours, 46 minutes and 10 seconds. Very good. Okay, the next one. Please look carefully the minutes hand, the hour hands, and also the second hands. What is the exact time is showing here? Queeners, what is the exact time is showing here?
1 o'clock and
1 hour, how many minutes?
1 hour and 50 minutes.
50 minutes, how many seconds?
15.
Oi, where is the second hand showing?
45.
Yes, very good. 1 hour, 50 minutes and 45 seconds. Okay, good. This one, who can tell to teacher? What is the time shown on the clock?
10 o'clock 30 minutes.
10 hour,
30 minutes. 1 second.
1 second,
5 seconds, sorry. 5.
5 seconds. Yes, 10 hours, 30 minutes and 5 seconds. Very good. Number 2. Chicken. Chicken still not come back from the toilet. Okay, how about Ethan?
6 hours, 40 minutes and 20 seconds.
Very good. What is the time shown on the clock here? 6 hours, 40 minutes and 20 seconds. Understand about the analog clock? Do you all want me to repeat? Who still don't understand how to read the analog clock? All can understand because I'm going to move to the second slides. Is it okay? We are going to read the digital clock. Can I move to the second slide?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you. So it's 1.4 about still in section 1, but 1.4 telling time from a digital clock. How? Which one is digital clock? These are the examples of digital clock. Ah, yes, very good. So it shows everything, each and every single thing will be showing there. Sometimes even the temperature also it shows there, correct? The day, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, which day? Yes.
Which one is more expensive? The analog clock or digital clock?
It depends. Even few analog clock also they are selling in high price, very expensive. Even digital clock also they are selling in a high price. But digital clock is more advanced one when you compare to the analog clock. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, so these are the examples of digital clock. Even it shows the time that it's easier for you. You don't have to count one by one. You just see the clock and can read the time already. Understand? Understand? These are the examples of digital clock. Who still don't know which one is digital clocks?
Not me.
Bobo don't know. Bobo raise up his hand. Okay, so What is the criteria of a digital clock? As usual, the time is stated in 4 digits with zeros being added in front if necessarily. For example, 3:08 minutes. So in the digital clock, usually you can see the 0 in front of 3 or 2. Also, you can find the digital clock in 24-hour system. Who don't know which one is 24-hour system? The next topic tomorrow, I will guide you to 24-hour system. Okay. As you know, the digital clock, the first 2 digits indicate the hours and the last 2 digits indicate the minutes, correct? So some of digital clocks just show the 6 digits where the last 2 digits indicate the second. Okay, as I show here. Can you all see the example? As I mentioned just now, the first 2 digits, it's showing the hours, and the second 2 digits is showing the minutes, and the last 2 digits is showing the seconds one, correct? Respond the correct also is very hard nowadays for my grade 4 students. For timer na inside the mouth. Very good. Hours. Start with number 0 to 24 hours. If it in 24-hour system, correct? 15 is, never mind, the 24-hour system teacher will guide you tomorrow. What is 15 hours? What is 18 hours? What is 22 hours? What is 21 hours? I will guide you all tomorrow. How to read the time in 24-hour system. Understand, huh? Okay, so the digital clock now is showing 15 hours, 26 minutes, and 34 seconds. Of course, the minutes, it will show from 0 to 59 because we only have 60 minutes. Am I right? And same goes to the second also. It will start from 0 to 59 seconds because it shows only 60 seconds. That means we only have 60 seconds. Am I right? Am I right?
Correct.
Teacher.
Okay, yes, Kofil. Okay, start with the 0 to 24 hours. Yes, we know the hours, it should start from 0 to 24 hours. Okay. Tomorrow I will guide you the 24-hour system. But now in the digital clock, it's showing 15 hours. 15 hours means 3 o'clock. How?
I think it's 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Yes, but it's okay. Tomorrow I will explain in detail the 24-hour system. Now I'm just showing you all how to read the time using the analog clock and also the digital clock. Understand, huh? But few of the digital clocks, they won't show the seconds one. They only stopped until hours and minutes. But you should know the first 2 digits are hours. The second 2 digits are minutes. If they have stated any 2 digits at the last means, it considers seconds. But if they didn't shows mean, it only hours and minutes. Understand, huh? And this one, so it shows 8 hours. How many minutes?
24 minutes.
24 minutes. Very good. This one?
28 minutes.
8 minutes.
Who want to tell the hour? Start from the hour, lah.
10 hours, 48 minutes, and 55 seconds.
75 seconds?
55.
55 seconds. Very good. And then this one?
2 hours and 8 minutes and 36 seconds.
Very good. Okay, done? Done?
Yes.